is Jessica Hershey. I teach civil engineering and architecture and environmental sustainability here at Lyman High School. In civil and environmental engineering, we focus on the design of buildings from the ground up. And we focus on, as engineers, what can we do to design that building. We also, in sustainability, do the same thing. We think as engineers, we focus on all the main things that we need to live with: food, water, clean air, and energy, and how we can sustain that for future generations.
Well, in civil architecture, some skills is learning actually how to use an architectural ruler, also how to do a structured plan and everything with dimensions and everything, and actually have like a physical plan before you do it. Also making models with cardboard so we can do it into the real life, or making it with Revit so we can also use schematics there and share it.
Shed the Shed is an environmental sustainability and civil and architecture project where we're trying to build a tiny home that's sustainable and follows the LEED standard. The hardest part is trying to make things like sustainable and be able to help the future. Also, specifically this project is the spacing and trying to put everything in there, like a composting toilet, like a foldable bed.
So with Shred the Shed, like right now, I don't know how to build anything at all. Like I've never learned that in my life. And at Shred the Shed, we're actually learning like what goes into building something. I'm learning how to sketch out the build. I'm learning like how to take measurements of everything. And it's just like these little things I've never learned in life that I'm learning right now.
My favorite part of civil architecture is actually building the models, because I think it is so fun when you're able to just build something with your hands and you're able to see what you have imagined come to life.